Hi, I'm asking. Today we are going to talking about how to teach a culture lesson to beginners of Chinese language. In my point of view, there are some aspects we should pay attention to when we introduce the Chinese culture to beginners of Chinese language. First of all, what I will introduce should be presented in a perceptible way. We can start with things that my students can see, hear, touch, taste, and feel. For example, we can employ multimedia objectives and my own stories. Then I will explain the cultural concept behind them. Second, any introduction should be linked to the contemporary world because that tells why we as the people in modern times should know about it. When we talk about something in ancient China, we need to show its influence or its new form today. Also, I need to introduce the contemporary Chinese culture, the Western culture, and the foreign influence on China. Third, I'd like to guide the students or audience to compare Chinese culture with the local one, including similarities and the differences. I need to link China to the rest of the world too. That will show Chinese culture is special, but the Chinese society is never isolated. There are lots of similarities among cultures. That's why humans can understand each other. Fourth, it is vital the introduction or diction has to be easily understood by beginners, especially by young children. It will make big difference if I avoid using words or jargon that is too academic to be understood by beginners. Last but not least, my introduction is possibly is a part of a lesson. I will try to make it fun, practical, and beneficial. A little bit of Chinese language should be involved. It will be better if there are some activities and Q&A sections.